All right, I want to introduce you to a large speaker. Now, this is a couple things built in, right? This is actually a night light. It has a white sound, so you could go to sleep at night. It has great audio. And not only that, Bluetooth built in, so you can actually connect all your devices into this. And this has a little grip to you could take it to a park with you, a party, anywhere you want. And I'm going to show you something first, all right? It's a hidden compartment in here. You open it up, look at that. You change the light too. Look at that. By hitting the button in there. I'm going to keep it away from you guys so you guys can see the difference. And there's a little area here where the light bulb goes in there. And this is a perfect. So if you go to camping, you could take this at night with you, but you can't close it. Once you close it, it turns off completely. Now here, this is a great thing that you have a device. You got fan noise, water noise, and I think this is more like plant or wind, and this is leaves, and then audio, and then you have minus and plus on the actual light bulb, right? Audio, you got minus audio and plus audio, sounds, lamp, and then you got a timer, 30 minutes, 60 minutes, 120 minutes, and then your Bluetooth, all right? You power it on first, of course, and you hit it on. Look at that. Wave sounds, fan noise, wave sounds, some audio, forest, audio, sound, and then you got static noise. All right, we're gonna set up the Bluetooth. We hit the Bluetooth button. All right, as soon as it pops up, you'll find it where it says H770 Bluetooth speaker.
All right, today we're gonna bring an LED kit, and
this is coming out of the audio.
With the actual
Look at that.
system itself.
This is a video I'm playing right now on the actual audio. So let me stop it. Overall, the speaker is small, portable, makes a great gift. A night light. It has white sound for sleeping mode, all right, for babies. Toning it, you could tone it down, and easy to charge. In the back, you have Type C, and then you have off and on if you want to manually turn it off for childproof. And it does have an IR for a remote, but very simple, out of the box. I hope you guys enjoy the video. The thing, ready?